Hey, a little good morning song for you. Actually, you know what? You guys caught me in my office playing my guitar this morning. I wasn't even quite ready for morning assembly, but I do want to tell you about something. And actually, my guitar is going to help tell about that too. Um, Something about love. And I've got my guitar out, and I bet you think you know what I'm talking about. And I'm pretty sure you don't. So, anyways, let's do the Pledge of Allegiance first, and then we'll tell you why my guitar's out here with me. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You can have a seat. Go ahead and show a good slant. Let's hear a little more of that guitar. Well, here's why I have my guitar out. It's because I love it. I actually do. I love my guitar. That sounds kind of weird, though. Can I love stuff like this? Oh, it turns out you actually can love other things that are not people. You can love animals. I love my dogs. I love my pets. They're amazing. I love my stuff. Here's what I want to talk about this morning. Should I love this guitar as much as I love people? No way. That would be really weird and not very caring. Right? That would make people feel really bad, actually. I'll tell you right now that I do love my guitar, but I love all of you way, way more than I love my guitar. So that's the first thing I want to talk about. Like, when you're talking about things around you that you love, it's okay to love them, but make sure you love them less than people. But here's another idea. What I really want to talk about today is if you love something, like I love my guitar, how do you show it love? Okay. I love you, guitar. You are so nice and sweet sounding. That's super weird. I hope that got a few laughs. My guitar can't understand me. That doesn't help it out. You know how I love my guitar? I take care of it. I wash my hands before I touch it. I keep it nice and clean, right? If I get something on the strings, I wipe it down so my strings last a long time. I take good care of it. I don't let anything bump into it. When I'm all done playing, I hang it back up where it goes. So here's my big question for you today. I love Achieve Charter School. Not just the students, I love the whole campus out there. I'm looking out the window right now. You can see my window right over there. I love our campus. I love our buildings. I love our drinking fountains. I love the bathrooms. They're nice bathrooms. I want you to talk about today, how do you show love to our campus? Not the people on the campus, but the real campus itself. How do you show love? How do you show love to the balls that we use on the playground and to the tetherball and the play structure and the life center and the classrooms and the hallways? How do you love all that stuff? Think of all the ideas you can, and I'm going to look for you out there later showing love to our campus. Bye, Achieve.